Is Liz and Alfred our siblings?
Ikaw nag-comment na eh.
Ano?
No!
Why?
He's a friend.
Okay.
He's my childhood friend.
Oh, your friend.
Yes, true friend.
How about this? What's the difference between Liz and Alfred? You know, your appearance.
I'm more buff. He's a skeleton. Kada gumagalaw, kumakaliskis yung mga bato na.
Parang sa Minecraft ah. Ano
Tapos
pa?
He's more weirder. He likes hentai. He jerk ups to
Oh, hell no.
Yes,
Bruh.
that's the difference.
F in the chat for hentai lovers. Ano pa?
And I
Last.
jerk up to real moments.
Oh,
I masturbate to real moments.
at least you're not jerking with a drawing. Diba? Di ako titigas sa drawing pa yun. EJ, give this to Liz. Ano? To Alfred na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, gay bro.
Aww. Cory. Eto.
Hindi, lagam na lang na weird news.
Meron pang ano. Sabi ni... Ayoko sabihin yung ano. Baka mabantay eh. N-word yung pangalan. Sabi ni N-word. First time having bang bang was like first time riding a bike. My dad was holding me from behind.
What?
No, it's real. Read this. Ito. Sabi ni Manega Boy. Read louder and clear.
First time having bembang was like first time riding a bike. My dad was holding me from behind. That's weird as fuck, bro. I ain't answering that shit. No,
Kamukha ni Macdo.
that's too weird.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga ano? Sa mga ganyan? Mga stepdad, ng gano'n, ganun.
If there's a stepsister or stepdad, there's gonna be fucking right there.
Yeah. Ano masasabi mo sa kanila, Kenji?
I don't give a fuck.
Yun. Meron pa isa pa.
Ilan, dagdag tayo clips.
Oh.
Ano, play the Riz music.
Sabay makikis yan ni Kenji.
No.
Okay, game.
Yeah.
Next. Ito. Sabi ni Mr. Casper. O, kain kayo. Hindi, kain kayo. Go. Celebrity na gusto nyo matira.
Iba na alawi.
Si ano? Diwata Pares!
Yun!
Yes!
Sarap! Bakit diwata?
His hole is very tight
Yun!
and I like black butt.
How about you? Bakit si Ibana? Paragi na. Ano masasabi mo? Ba, nanonood si Ibana?
Hi, Ibana Alawi Vlogs. I'm eating.
And,
I love eating.
yun. Ulit. Ano sabi mo? And I love eating ano? Go.
I love eating.
Oh,
That's weird as fuck, bro.
weirdest.
Ano mo yung tinuturo ko?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito. Next. Sabi ni MC. Tang inang grammar yan. Parang siguro 10 years old ang comment na to. Are you already fine, Totoy Abnoy?
Siya nagsabi nun, to be honest. Wala kang humor kang putang ina mo, mamatay ka ng gago ka, tang ina mo, huwag ka na magko-comment.
Bro, you just bullied a 10 years old child, man.
What if, ano yan, old guy?
Tanga si Sahin to yung comment. Game. Di ba, nahanap mo na si Totoy Abnoy? May picture kayo kasama ni si Jumang. Di ba?
Oo.